Okay, welcome back again. Last class we have studied page number 30 and 31. The second last paragraph we have to begin. Hope you have. So there was a last piece of advice given by the priest to the boy who was asked to go out from the temple. Why? What was the reason? What was the reason? The priest asked him to go out. What was the reason? Why he was asked to go out? Who can say? You know that. What was the reason? The boy drew pictures of cats everywhere. So as a priest, it was not a good quality. And what provoked him, the priest? Because he told a lot of times, he told don't do so. He had given him a lot of warnings, but he cannot do that. He repeated the same fault. So that was what happening in our classrooms also. Some of the students did not write in notebooks and give him warning. Do not repeat it. Next day you should complete. The next day again, some children did not their homework. So second time the teacher will give, this is the last warning. And if he repeats the same mistake on the third time, what will happen? No, get out of the class. You should show your notebook, then only come to my class. So you are very, very good children, and you will never give me a chance to say so to you. I know that. You are very, very, very good children. Good children, I know that. Okay, now what was the reason? The reason was he repeated the same mistake in spite of his warnings. He gave a lot of warnings, but he did not obey it. At last he drew pictures on the paper screen of the temple, and it provoked the priest, and he wanted him to go. To avoid next, let us go to, have you written the questions? Hope you have written. Okay. First question, there were 3 questions were there. First question, how is the youngest child introduced in the story? The youngest child is very clever and is very weak and small, and he is not fit for farming. There was another question where the priest take him. Why the parents take him to the priest? He is as the boy is very feeble or very weak, he cannot do any type of farming work. So what did he do? The parents take him to the priest. Why? To make him a priest, acolyte, to become the acolyte of the priest. There was another third question, but perhaps you will become the great artist. Perhaps it will become the great artist. The boy has a tendency to draw, so the boy has a tendency to draw cats. So the priest told that you will become an artist, and it is appropriate. It is appropriate. That opinion is appropriate. Now let us go to the next paragraph, where the boy did not know what the priest meant by saying. What was the piece of good advice given? What was the piece of advice given? The piece of advice was that avoid large places, keep it small. That was the advice. The boy did not understand anything. What did he say, or what is the meaning of that thing? Even though he thought and thought while he was tying up his little bundle of clothes. There was a little bundle, small bundle, and he was tying up, while he was tying up his little bundle of clothes to go away. But he could not understand those words. At that time, he didn't get any idea what did he say. And he was afraid to speak to the priest anymore, except to say goodbye. And he was very afraid to speak anything more to that priest. He just told goodbye, only goodbye to the priest. because actually he was very afraid, because there was a problem that he cannot return to his home. Why? He cannot return to his home. പള്ളി ദർശന പറഞ്ഞു വിട്ടിരിക്കണത്. ഹിയർ ടെമ്പിൾ, അവിടെ കൊടുന്നാക്കിയതാ പൗരോഹിത്യം പഠിക്കാൻ. ബട്ട് ഹി കനോട്ട് ഡു ദാറ്റ്. ദ പ്രീസ്റ്റ് ഡിഡ് നോട്ട് അലൗ ഹിം because he got very angry. So what happened? He went out. Anyway, he just told goodbye only. Okay, on next paragraph, let us go to the next paragraph number 32. He left the temple very sorrowfully and began to wonder what he should do. He thought what he should do. If he went straight home, he felt sure that his father would punish him. Why his father would punish him? Sichikuga. Why? He will scold. I was given you a good opportunity to become. I gave you a good opportunity to become an acolyte, but you again draw pictures and you were expelled from the temple. And he would punish him for having been disobedient. The priest, a lot of time, priest asked him, told him, gave him warning, but he did not obey. He did not obey and punished him for having been disobedient to go home. So he was afraid to go. Why was he afraid to go home? You know that because his father would punish him for being disobedient to the priest. All at once he remembered that at that time he remembered one thing. At the next village, almost 12 miles away, there was a very big temple. He heard that there was a very big temple. He heard it, several priests at the temple. He had heard there were several priests, not one, there were several priests. He heard there is a temple. And father will scold him, father will punish him if he return to the home. So what did he do? He decided that to go that large temple. There were several priests. So, and made up his mind. It's a very good term. Made up his mind. Made up his mind. Made up his mind means decided. He decided. Made up his mind. He decided. Made up his mind to go to them and ask them to take him for their acolyte. There were a lot of priests, not one or two. So there are a lot of priests. So one of them may need this acolyte. So he thought. So he went there. Now that big temple was closed up, but the boy did not know this fact. Actually, that big temple has been closed for a long time. The boy did not know that it has been closed. The reason is, what was the reason why the temple has been closed? Because the closed up was that a goblin. What is goblin? What is goblin? Goblin means what we can say in Malayalam. We can say bhoodam or kuttichatan nokka kettille. Just like an ugly creature. Let us say an ugly creature which causes trouble to people. ജനങ്ങൾക്കൊക്കെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാക്കുക ഒരു വൃത്തികെട്ട സാധനം രൂപം അതാണ് ugly creature. Goblin had frightened the priest away. ഈ ഭൂതം കുട്ടിച്ചാത്തൻ that frightened the priest, and no priest stayed in the temple. They had gone away and had taken possession of the place. And what happened? Frightened and had taken that possession of the place. Temple inde chumadala, temple inde karyam mottham ipo nokkunnadara. This goblin has taken possession of the place. Some brave warriors had afterward gone to the temple. Some brave priests, brave warriors, priests, കുറച്ച് ധൈര്യമുള്ള ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ they went. What happened to the goblin? At night to kill the goblin. They went there not priests, warriors, ചില യോദ്ധാക്കളൊക്കെ, warriors means യോദ്ധാക്കൾ. They went to the temple to kill the goblin, but they had never been seen alive again. What happened? Actually, നല്ല മല്ലന്മാരാ പോയത്. But what happened? Nobody has seen them alive. അവരൊക്കെ ഗോബ്ലിൻ്റെ ആക്രമണത്തിൽ what happened? They died. Nobody had ever told these things to the boy. But our boy, our hero, did not hear such stories. Nobody had told him. So he walked all the way to the village, almost 12 miles. He walked to the village and hoping to be kindly treated by the priest. There will be some priest, and if we go there, the people will accept, the priest will accept him. So that was the thing. So he went there. When he got to the village, it was already dark. It was already dark, and all the people were in bed. All the people. When he reached there, it was already dark. It was night. And the people were almost in the bed. എല്ലാവരും ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഉറങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കിടന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. And but he saw the big temple on a hill at the other end of the principal of the main street. Other end of the main street. Here it is main street, and the other end of the main street he saw the big temple. He saw the big other end of, and he saw there was a light on the temple. And there was a light on the temple. People who tell the story say the goblin used to make that light. Actually, no people go there. No human being go there. People say that this goblin, what is a goblin, you know? This large creature which causes trouble to others. Namada Guttichatham, Bhudam, came and switched the light. People say that light. In order to tempt lonely travelers to ask for shelter. So why the goblin is doing that? Lonely travelers tempt. Avarenu tempt cheyanam, preripikkanam, aakarshikkanam, attract them to come there for shelter. The boy went at once to the temple and knocked. He knocked at the door. He hoped that somebody will open. There was no sound inside. Then what he knocked and knocked again. He knocked again, but still nobody came. At last, what did he do? He pushed gently the door. He pushed the door gently. Then what happened? And was quite glad to find that it had not been fastened. He was very happy as it was not bolted. Lock. The door was almost open. It was open. It was not locked. So he pulled and opened the door. He had fastened. So he went in and saw a lamp burning, but no priest. There was no priest, but a lamp. A lamp is burning there. He thought some priest would be sure to come very soon. He thought there is a lamp, so may have gone to toilet or outside or some. He hoped that, and he sat down and waited. He sat there and waited. Then he noticed that everything in the temple was grey and dust with the dust. Everything, almost all things in the temple was grey color. ഒരു തരം GREY എന്നും പറയാട്ടോ. There is two spellings. You can say GRAY or EY. Both are correct spelling. So in American and British, that is the difference of American and British English. So both spellings are correct. Grey with dust and thickly spun over the thickly spun over with cobwebs. What is cobwebs? Means spider webs. എല്ലായിടത്തും നല്ലവണ്ണം മാറാലൊക്കെ സ്പൈഡർ വെബ്സ്. ദർ ആർ സ്പൈഡർ വെബ്സ് സ്പിൻ എന്നെ തുന്നി ഇത് അതിങ്ങനെ എൻ്റെ ഒരു അറിയാലോ. ഓവർ വിത്ത് കപ്പ്. സോ he thought to himself that the priest would certainly like to have an acolyte. So what is this all shows? There is no helper. There is no helper. helper ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതൊക്കെ വൃത്തിയാക്കുമല്ലോ. So he was glad to see that, because certainly to have an acolyte to keep the place clean, ഇതൊക്കെ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യാൻ, to keep the place clean. He wondered why they had allowed everything to get so dusty. ഇങ്ങനെ പൊടി പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കാൻ, so dusty, why they allowed. What most pleased him, and he was happy, more happy, why, were some big white screens are there. He was very much happy because there are a lot of white screens, the favorite spot for him, the favorite place for him. There are big canvases for him. For what? To draw pictures. Very good. Good to paint cats upon. He is very happy because inside the temple there are നല്ല കുറേ സ്ഥലമുണ്ട്. എന്തിന് പറ്റിയതാണ്? എനിക്ക് കാറ്റ്സിന് വരയ്ക്കാൻ. So that was, though he was tired, he looked at once for the writing box. He was very much tired, even though he looked for the writing box and found one and ground some ink, and there was some ink there, and began to paint cats on these canvases, on these walls, or on these white places. He drew cats. He drew cats on the walls, on the canvases of the big temple. And what was the situation there? Actual situation is it was under the control of a goblin. And was there any priest? There was no priest. And what happened to the priests? The priests were gone because this goblin frightened them and threw them away. And even some warriors came to kill this goblin. And have they succeeded? No, they could not succeed. Why they couldn't succeed? Because the goblin was so strong, and even the strong warriors went there and they died, or they could, the people could not see them again alive. So that was the situation there. But without knowing any of these stories, our boy came there, and he was so fond of drawing cats. And what did he do? He took his drawing box and ink and he began to draw pictures of cats on the empty surfaces, on the empty canvases of the temple. That was what he painted a great many cats. Next paragraph. He painted great many cats upon the screens, and then he began to feel very, very sleepy. He drew a lot of cats, and it was, you know that what was the time when he reached there? It was almost dark, and almost all people began to sleep, or maybe slept, or some of the inside the house. Nobody is outside. He painted a great many cats upon them, and when he drew a lot of cats, he feels sleepy, and what did he do? He was just on the point of laying down to sleep beside on the screens. And he decided to sleep. He was suppose in the classroom or in the temple, he drew pictures and decided to sleep wherever he was sitting or wherever he is standing. He decided to sleep lying there on the screens. But he suddenly remembered the words. So the hall of the temple is very large. So suddenly he remembered the words. There was an advice given by the priest. Do you remember that advice? Last class we had written it on the blackboard also, and you may have. What was that? Avoid large places. Avoid large places to sleep, and keep to small. That was the piece of advice given by the priest when he was expelled, when he was gone out, when he was asked to go out. So do you remember that? Okay. Now look, he decided, he remembered that advice. So then the temple was very large. He was all alone. He was alone there, and he thought of these words, though he could not quite understand them. At that time, he had not understood what was the advice. Anyway, he did not understand it, but what did he do? He just listened to that words, but now he remembered. He began to feel for the first time a little afraid. till then he was not afraid. But now, till that time he was not afraid. But now, when he remembered the words or the voice, because he was alone there, no priest was there, nobody is there, he is alone in the temple, and it's a hall, a big hall. And at the same time, he remembered the advice of of the old priest. So he felt a little afraid. He first time a little afraid began to feel, and resolved or decided to look for a small place to which to sleep. To sleep. He wanted to have a small place to sleep. He found a little cabinet. What is cabinet? A small room. That's cabinet. A little cabinet, a small room with a sliding door. Sliding door. Sliding door was a small cabinet, a sliding door, and went into it. And he shut himself up. So he closed the door, closed, then he lay down and fell asleep. So let us continue the story on next day. Now let us look at some of the questions are there. Do you remember what are the questions? Question number 4, what was the advice of the priest? That we have already discussed. And the 5th question, why didn't the boy go home after he left the temple? That question we already discussed. Why the boy didn't go home? Because he was afraid of the punishment from his father. Because his father, he was not fit for farming. He was, what is called, he was appointed as an acolyte, or he requested the father or the priest to become an acolyte, but he was not fit for that job. The priest was angry and he was went on, and his father knew that definitely he will be punished. And 6th question on page number 32, when the boy entered the temple, he did not see anyone. What could be the reason? What could be the reason? There was nobody. We know the actual reason, because a large goblin rat, what was called, goblin rat had scared or frightened all the priests, and they went out. And 7th question, 2 more questions for the day. Why did he choose a small place to sleep? A small place to sleep, why? Because he remembered the words of his priest. What was that words? You remember that? What was that piece of advice? Avoid large places at night and keep to small. So that was one more question, last one for the day. Where did the boy find a safe place? So there was a little cabinet with a sliding door. So he went inside and fast asleep. Okay, that's all for the day. So all of you should write the question numbers from question for previous class. You may have written question number 1 to 3, and here is an assignment for you from question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these questions you write the questions and answers in your notebook and send it to me after you have finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.